So today we got the wireless, and obviously situation wise, one is going to be better for different scenarios. I'm going to go over what sounds better. I just got these. This is my first time feeling this. It's plasticky. Jesus, it feels so cheap. Not gonna lie. It's $100, you know what I mean? You can't knock it. You can clip this joint right here. Here goes the battery hatch. And it takes AAA battery. We got a nice little case. We got everything bungeed up here. We got a hot shoe mount with a tripod. Where's the cold shoe? Cold shoe or hot shoe? I forget. I think it's cold shoe. This one goes on top of your camera, wherever you want to put it. And then you can screw it onto a tripod. One's a transmitter and one's a receiver. So one's going to be sending the signal, one's going to be receiving. And over here in the receiver, you got the pair button over here. You got, oh, this one's dead. That's right. We got the on and off switch. We got the pair headphones, so you can listen to yourself, I guess, and monitor your audio. And these do turn 360. Over here on the transmitter, you have it on and off, and you got the pair button. So that's pretty dope. This one's gonna go on me. Transmitter goes on me. Receiver goes on the camera. You do have a nice little lav mic. That's dope. So we just clip it on. I mean, to put it in the microphone side. At 200 feet audio range, which will go to copy, do Roger. So right now I'm in front of the camera. We don't have 200 feet, but that's about, I don't know, probably like 80 to 100 feet. So I'll go out there and I'll go into the woods. I'll still talk and I'll be able to go back further in the woods where you can't see me, and then, you know, I mean, we'll start figuring out where the strength is at with the mic capability. But we got the mic right here. Now I'm about to put the mic on my hip. Probably should put it on my hip. This is what it sounds like in the hip, and I'm gonna change it and put it back on my shirt. This is what it sounds like. Just straight out, walking with it in your pocket. And I got a clip with me. We're at the backyard. Basically as far back as we can go. Come back a little bit towards you guys, and I'm gonna go into these woods over here. Going back in the woods. Oh, it's not bad back here. You probably hear the twigs snapping and everything. I'm going parallel. Actually the same area. Now I'm around all the. I'm moving back towards you guys. So I'm going or nothing. Takes it bad and me up. I gotta put some rocks back here. Level it out. We are gonna be homesteading soon, growing berries. So if you want some cranberries, let me know. Now we're out the woods, you see me. Then if you wanted to walk and talk with the mic, I don't know if you could hear any shuffling going on or whatnot.